should I work with your estate planning team? This is one of the most frequently asked questions of our estate planning attorneys. After all, in this day and age of do-it-yourself everything, why should you not go online and just find a well-drafted guide and do it yourself? While numerous do-it-yourself guides are available online, nothing compares to being guided by an experienced and competent attorney, and our team is ready for you. My name is Megone Trewick, and I'm the lead estate planning attorney here at the law office of Bryan Fagan. I'm here to talk to you today about estate planning and how we can help you. So let's go. Whether you want to call it attorneys or if you want to call us lawyers, many people are suspicious of our industry. In our culture, attorneys have a reputation of being money hungry and aggressive, just appealing things. You may not even personally know an attorney, but you may laugh and chuckle at this stereotype because you know that this is what we are perceived of oftentimes. However, I can tell you that not all attorneys are the same. And just like Goldilocks, you may have to try a few before you can find the one that's just right. Working with a great estate planning team has many benefits, and I'm here to cover some of them for you. But how long does estate planning take? Making a proper estate plan for yourself and your family is not something that's done overnight. It takes time to sort through various options to arrive at a plan that's tailored for your needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all strategy. Instead, you must be able to consider the entirety of your life and the circumstances that you're facing. Remember to consider the importance of your family, the important things to you, so that you can describe and create an estate plan that fits you. You should also not consider estate planning to be an insurance plan against investment strategy failures. Whether you have chosen to invest in the stock market, real estate, or a combination of the two, it's natural for you to be concerned about your decisions and determine whether those decisions were sound. If done correctly, estate planning should cause you to think about several different areas of your life and bring those things to the forefront and into your consciousness. We are so busy with our daily lives, and we want to think about everything critically. However, we can't possibly bring all those things to our recollection on a daily basis. Retirement is yet another important aspect of estate planning, but it should be noted that you should not wait for retirement before you do your estate planning. For one thing, none of us knows when our lives will come to an end. This isn't the most upbeat part of this video today, but it has to be said. Planning our estates and estate-related matters may appear to be something that can be postponed, but the reality is it's important for you and it's important for your family. Finally, if you own a business, you should carefully consider how you intend to transition the business to the next generation. Have you considered your succession plan? This is a question that many small business owners should consider, not just leave it up to chance. Even if you do not believe that your business requires survival, you are responsible for your family and your clients, making sure that they're taken care of, making sure that all the details have been covered. So hopefully now you may have a better understanding of the ins and outs of estate planning. You can reach us at 281-810-9760. You may also subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can watch more videos like this one. And don't forget, estate planning is one of the most loving things that you can do for your loved ones and your family. Thank you.